have a quick video for you guys today that might be really helpful for a lot of people. So what I've gotten in the habit of doing is when I do random stuff, I start filming it. And I stumbled across something that might change the game. I'm not sure yet, but I hope so. So I was watching a YouTuber by the name of Kaylin Ivy. Correct me if I'm wrong. She said that she avoided getting flakes in her hair by leaving the shower on and letting the hot steam go while she does her hair. Now, while she was doing this, I came to this breakthrough conclusion. The combination of products she was using in this video was not a combination that I could use in my hair because it flaked like crazy. Like, I'm telling you guys, it just turns white. So I was like, how did she do this? So I came up with an idea based on this theory. So watch these videos, guys, so you can see what I tested, so you can see if my evil plan worked. Alright, so rolling my science experiments. Y'all, I think I just discovered something because I just tried 2 products together that, well, my products were clumping and flaking. I don't know if you guys could see it up here, but I'm about to take it down so you could see. Because I had my hair in a bun and I used products. You see how bad the flakes are? I used products that I knew were not going to work together at all. And I put them in a bun because I knew it would make my bun look sleek, but the moment I manipulated my hair, this would happen. And then I tried this trick on one side of my hair. Y'all, it's dry, the root's still a little damp. There's not a single flake. Oh my God! Wow! And these are the same products, okay? So I am shook. Oh my goodness. I didn't use a lot of product and I blow dried it, so there is some frizz because I was impatient to see if this would really work. You see the flaking and how white and clumpy this is? My hair here is dry, mind you. This is not wet hair. This is dry. And it's all throughout. It's not just my roots. The ends might not have it as much because I've been playing with my ends. Got some good definition in there. It was Shea Moisture, leave-in, the Jamaican black castor oil leave-in, but I also used oil on top of that and Eco Styler. And sometimes oily products with my Eco Styler will flake, right? So let me show you the result of this. I also used a little bit of this Carol's Daughter in here. Y'all, I'm so amazed that I'm trying this with like all my products that don't work together right now. Of course, it's gonna be a little white because it's still drying, but like, bro, there's not a flake in sight. If you don't have any natural hair products, what are you really doing? I mean, clean it out when you're done, but it's okay. But yes, I mixed these 2. This is the ORS leave-in conditioning cream mixed with the regular Eco Styler. Alright, I wanted to do the regular Eco Styler because I noticed that the flaxseed one doesn't flake up as much with, you know, products like this. Like, leave-in conditioners were my biggest enemy when it came to flakes. You can imagine my utter shock that this is working. Alright, I'm gonna try another product that did not work with my washing those. Let's see. To make this even better, I'm doing it on the flaky side. So I'm adding an even flakier product on the flaky side. So if I can get this side to perform like this, y'all, I think the social experiment will be a success. Y'all, I lie to you not. This is the Miel organic side. I think we just discovered something that will change lives. So, alright, I know I look crazy, guys, but I'm going to go ahead and let these both sides air dry because the inner skeptic in me is like, maybe it's because I blow dried my hair. But even if it's because I blow dried my hair, then that's still a good reference point because that means you can do this and diffuse. But I'm gonna let these air dry.
Oh damn, I'm smashed. I got fine woman and fine drinks, and I'm trying to make the shit last. It's Friday. Thank God, little homie, it's Friday. Let me get it on a Friday. Thank God, little homie, it's Friday. Yeah.
Alright, we're back. So now you guys have seen my experiment, if you will, and you can be the judge if this was successful or not successful. So now that you've seen that, I can reveal what my tip is. And first of all, what I noticed is in the past year or so, product combinations that used to work in my hair without flaking at all have stopped working, and I've had to reduce product significantly. It was just starting to baffle me. I'm like, why are these combinations not working?
What was the reason?
I had a reason.
What was the reason? What was the reason?
I just explained the reason.
What was the reason?
I don't need to explain myself to you. And
What was the reason?
And I noted something that was so small but went with the video that I talked about. That is, the natural hair community has banned and shunned the use of warm to hot water on your hair. And when I first went natural, I used all these different product combinations and I rarely got, oops, my phone's ugly. I used all these different product combinations and I rarely ever got flakes. So I was like, but I always used warm to hot water when I was styling my hair, and I often did my hair in the shower as well. So Bri, how can we do this without, running our shower? You guys can actually just sit at a faucet and use warm water, or even just run warm water in a bowl if you don't want to use too much water. And literally the process I used, even while I was styling my hair today, is I literally applied my leave-in or whatever product, and then I coated my hair with the hot water, and I really worked that leave-in into my hair so that it was like really penetrating the hair. Hot water and warm water opens the cuticle, right? So I was like, dang, if I was using cold water on my hair, I was working with a closed cuticle, meaning that buildup could happen. And flakes are often from buildup. So I was like, oh my God. After that product is thoroughly worked in, you don't see hardly any more conditioner or white residue, I would then go add my gel. But wait, I also noticed that flakes tend to happen mostly at the roots of the hair. So if you're going to try a product combination that typically doesn't work, I first suggest trying it on a section of hair so you don't fail and use a bunch of hours of your time for something that doesn't work. But also only do it from the hair shaft right here to the ends. And for your roots, you don't have to put nothing on them, but just choose one of the products that you're using that you really think would benefit your roots and use just that product, and then do the two products or whatever that don't work. And this doesn't even mean go start using products that have flaked on you in the past. You can do this social experiment if you want and see for yourself, but I'm saying this also works great with products that already work well together. They get your hair smooth. This is the wash and go that I did using this technique with only like 3 products, and initially these products in one of the original pictures flaked on me. So and it's a combination that works. So the combination I used was, just kidding, I'm gonna show you guys in Friday's video how I achieved my wash and go and how I've been doing it recently. But try the warm to hot water trick and let me know if this works for you guys. Of course you can use cold water at the end. I personally wouldn't, but also after you apply your gel, apply hot water as well and just like rake the product through. I noticed raking it through and smoothing it really helps. That also helps so you don't get excess product. I think excess product makes buildup and flakes happen, but having the warmth really melt the product into the hair as well as not having too much product. We have a breakthrough. So all right, let me know if you guys found this helpful. And I tried all these products with like Eco Styler gel, but I did mix a couple different gels and try this so many more times, and it worked with every single gel. So let me know if you guys try this at home and how it works for you. Remember, you gotta put time into making sure you work that product in and use that warm water until the product is almost like, I want to say non-existent. It's in your hair, but it just doesn't look like you just threw conditioner in your hair. It's almost invisible, okay? You're not rinsing it out, but you're working it into your strands. And I added a lot of product. In those examples you saw, I added a lot of gel and the leave-in, and it worked well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and peace out, and gang gang.